Okay, for the first one, just think about what this means, right? We have 5 to the 5th, so that's 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And we have that exact same thing 3 separate times. And I'm not going to write all of this down, but if you'll just think about it, if I have 5 fives here and another 5 fives and another 5 fives, that's going to give me 15 of them. Remember that the rule here is that you multiply these exponents. The base never changes, so your base is still 5. Okay, for B, -2 is our coefficient. So we're going to raise everything inside the parentheses to the outside power. And that's what I call my rainbow rule. So this is going to be -2 raised to the 4th power. And then I'm going to have c to the 3rd raised to the 4th power. Well, this part here is just like this part here, right? We would have c times c times c, and we have 4 groups of those. So we're going to wind up with c to the, remember we multiply 12th power. So most of you actually got the variable right. It was the coefficient that gave you trouble. This is -2 raised to the 4th power. That's -2 times -2 times -2 times -2, which is going to give you a positive 16. Moving down here, again, the rainbow rule. We raise 10 to the 2nd power. Well, 10 times itself is 100. And then we raise p to the 8th to the 2nd power. Remember, we multiply those exponents, we get p to the 16th. And the last one takes a little bit of work here, kind of in a two-part thing. We've got to do powers of powers here and power of power here, and then we'll put it all together. So k to the 3rd raised to the 3rd is k to the 9th. And k to the 4th to the 2nd power would be k to the 8th. And now when we multiply these together, remember this would be 9 k's being multiplied together, 8 more of them being multiplied together. That gives us a total of 17 of them being multiplied together. So that's k to the 17th power.